with this bullshit over here. Let's see, testing. Are we live? Yes, we're live now. Hopefully, maybe, yeah. That's fucking Streamlab bullshit wasn't working for me. But goddamn, Bitcoin's back up at 4,200, huh? See if it's gonna be able to continue this little push up. Maybe. I'm not really convinced in it. Crow's trying to come back up. It's just looking nasty across the whole board. I kind of feel like everybody's waiting for the FOMC to come out once they start raising rates again. I mean, I kind of feel like that's what's going on. It's kind of hard to even say. I'm just not going to do anything. I'm not going to buy anything. I'm not going to sell anything. I'm just going to just chill here on the sideline and just be like, that's how you're going to do it. Like, okay. Right now, my money is in fucking healthcare sector. I mean, in fucking services, housing. I'm looking at getting away from all this other bullshit and just letting it do its thing. But it sucks to look at it right now. What's going on, Pop Squash, man? Happy Saturday, bro. How you doing? How's your weekend going so far? Oh, wait. It's already almost over, huh? Oh, man, there goes Bitcoin starting to move again. I kind of think the government, because they seize a lot of Bitcoin and they just sell it. So I kind of think they sell it around the beginning of the year. Because, fuck, it's been doing this fuckery for a little bit now, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to even say. I just think people are pulling their money out from it and they're putting it in the regular market. I mean, they're expecting some pretty big returns from fucking oil and the housing market, and fucking gold's supposed to just blow up. I mean, as much as I would like to say crypto can continue this crazy ass move up here, it's like, fuck, it needs to slow down a little bit. I was trying to get fucking Streamlabs going. That shit was not working for me, dude. Bro, I'm drinking same, hell yeah. That's good, man. That's all you can do. Just drink, hold it, and just fuck it like, damn. Oh, well, we'll move on to the next one. We'll try this other project and let crypto do its thing. But talk about uncertainty. Waldo, what's going on, man? Got the itch for a week. Yeah, just a little bit. I was trying to do one earlier, but Streamlabs kept fucking up. So I just said, fuck it. I went back onto this one. The Ecamm makes it so easy. You just throw your shit in there. I don't got to worry about nothing. They do all the little, it's so user friendly. I was like, I guess that's why fucking Streamlabs is free. Yeah, well, I didn't go into work this week, this Saturday either. Just been chilling right now. Just been chilling. I'm just waiting to get some FDA news out. That's it. That's what I'm playing right now. The FDA news, and then just gonna continue to go for Ford, AT&T, and a couple of those other little ones that I'm messing with. I just wanted to stop in and say thank you, and I'll be back in a few months. Fat Lips, there you go. Take a break, bro. Take a break from it. That's the best thing to do. Take a break and just build up your cash. Turn it off. You know, you don't gotta look at the app every day. But it is looking rough out there. I mean, they're busting out the fear indicator. It's like, I mean, who the fuck looks at the fear and greed indicator? I don't. Shit. You should already know when this shit's gonna happen. This was fucking last January. I kind of anticipated it was gonna happen again. I'm thinking we're gonna come down to the 30,000 range though, unfortunately, unless we're able to hold up right here at like 36, I mean. That's what we all do, yep. That's the best way to do it. That's why I treat cryptocurrency like a savings account. I mean, you don't always check your savings account. You just leave it alone. I mean, I got these all these collections of silver coins, and I don't sit there and look at them all no more. I mean, even though it's kind of fun to go through them every now and then, but it's not something you sit there and keep looking at. Yeah, I've been working a lot. Actually, you know what? I kind of just been chilling at the workshop, you know, a little bit, taking it easy. beginning of the year always sucks. You know what I mean? It's good, but it's like, man, fuck. Just got to keep moving, man. But yeah, Bitcoin is not looking hot over there. I mean, it did get a little bit of a pop right there from that 40. I think this is just hopium, though. I think this is going to continue until we hear from Fed. Unfortunately, I think the Feds are playing a big role in this. Like, everybody's kind of waiting on that. Oh man, you got COVID everywhere. Tell me about it, bro. We got these schools locking down again. That's the way to do it, Pop. Like, hey, make sure you get your credit cards down. Try to come into the next few years with zero debt. That's where you want to be, zero debt. Try not to use no margin. I don't be using no staking shit. I mean, none of this. I mean, fuck, if you want, you can, but just try not to carry any of debt over, because that debt's gonna kill you. Yeah, that's good, Pop. Hell yeah. Pay off your credit, start stacking that shit up, because that's where it's going to be at. You got to have good credit. But, man, it's looking nasty. What's the market cap up? Oh, Lord. Last time I see it was at 1.9. It's at, oh, it came up a little bit. It'll probably come up to like maybe 2 trill and then come back down. I don't think this shit show's over yet, though. I do not think it's over yet. We still got a long way to go until Fed Powell speaks, but you know, I'm still pretty bullish over on everything. But I'm more bullish over the stock market right now in those certain industries, like the healthcare sector. I think that's where I'm at right now for the next like 60 to maybe 90 days. But I am looking at the industrials. I'm looking at REITs. REITs is where it's at, man. My credit is 400. You got fucking college bullshit. It's crazy. There was actually an article where they're talking about parents that were going to retire are actually postponing their retirement so they can help pay off their kids' colleges. Like, college, that shit's like a scam. It's a fucking scam. It's horrible. But I do believe a lot of people are trimming back on their cryptocurrency positions, because I mean, you gotta realize how high this shit has gone. This is way the fuck up there. I mean, shit. 2 years ago, you could have put $5,000 into Bitcoin, and you would have went up to $50,000. You would have made on it. So of course people are taking money from here and they're putting it in other sectors. I mean, we just call this the rotation. I mean, that's the reason why I even jumped in cryptocurrency, because I was like, wait a minute, where this rotation starting to involve cryptocurrency? Fuck, I need to get involved in that shit too, because I want to be part of all these rotations. Oh, I've been listening a little bit, but I can't message from work. Hey, you don't even gotta explain, Pop, hey, man. You take care of yourself at the end of the day. I ain't going nowhere. I'll still be here. I'll still be here as much as I can. We all got lives we gotta live, and you know, at the end of the day, we gotta keep a job. That compound investment, that's where you want to be. You gotta keep the compound investments up. Just don't sell. It's hard. I mean, it's fucking hard not to do it. Trust me, it's easier said than done. But I am liking SOL though. SOL and Matic have been just holding up fucking wonderfully. I think they've been doing pretty solid. The way when you zoom out on them, they've been just killing it. A lot of people have been talking about Matic and SOL. Thanks, Pop. You know, shit. Appreciate it, man. But yeah, you take care of yourself and do what you gotta do, whatever's best for yourself, man. My friend who knows nothing about investing has talked to you. He said, that's good shit. I'll be near. I mean, it's not that hard as everybody puts it out to believe. It's just, I mean, hell, the best thing to do is not to look at it, honestly. That's why I try not to talk about the same ones over. You know how depressing that is to sit there and talk about the same one over and over, knowing it's in a downtrend, knowing you gotta wait for it. It's like, well, fuck that. you can't just expect to invest in something and like you're gonna get rich the next day. You know, it takes time for that shit to do its thing, to work its course. I send the line links out. I appreciate it, man. Oh yeah. It's been going on since April now? I think since April or something like April or March. No, it was May. May is actually when I first started streaming the videos. Yeah, of course, the therapeutic was BS, and man, the one thing and the only thing that was gonna get in the fucking way was the coronavirus, and man, ain't that some bullshit? And it's not even the coronavirus; it's the FDA motherfuckers, because they don't got enough people over there working over there. That's the bullshit part. That's why I'm kind of like leaning to this that GMPX one, because that fast track basically gives them. I mean, they're at the top of the list right now. Genprex is at the top of the list for the FDA when it comes to anything else other than COVID, because Merck needs that treatment. So fucking FDA fuck faces are gonna make it happen, because Merck is, they're huge. Unfortunately, our little Quest Therapeutic over there is just a little $150 million company. All I gotta do is just hold on to them and wait. Once this shit blows over, I've been saying it for quite a while now. I believe and I stick to it that the health sector, the biotech plays, therapeutic, all those ones that have been getting beat up for the past like 10 years, they're gonna have their moment to shine, because more people are looking into therapeutics. They're looking into biotech plays. They're looking into taking care of themselves a little bit more. They want a little bit more information. Especially after this shit show for the last 2 years. Wear a mask, don't wear a mask. Wait, which one is it? But this year, just like I've been, it's just gonna be focusing on cash. I'm gonna be working on getting liquidity. Liquidity is what's gonna be the main focus this year, and selling these ones that don't bring anything to the table. There's a lot of these tokens and a lot of these coins that don't bring shit to the table, and then there also is a lot that do bring something to the table. They gotta have some use case. These next few years, you're gonna want companies that have, or even tokens that have strong fundamentals, some kind of use case that are gonna be here and be able to weather the storm. I mean, deflationary assets, use them as a hedge, but a small hedge. It's just like playing puts. You don't want to, go too crazy with the puts and call ratio, but, just a little bit. So work as much as we can. I gotta stay healthy, bro. You know what I mean? That's it, man. Actually, the back's been doing actually pretty good. It hasn't really been bothering me. Now it's the fucking tooth. Now it's the tooth. I gotta go to the dentist here next week. They did a cleaning last 2 weeks ago. I think a few weeks I gotta go. They're gonna go pull one out. The beginning of the year is always rough for me. It's always been. Fucking, what is it? January to like May, March, something like that. Holidays kind of blow, but it's cool. I make it work. But just remember, nothing's changed. Just keep fucking game plan. Just focus on the cash. Try to keep your money safe. I mean, even me and my wife, we're cutting down on everything. We're like, all right, no more fast food. We ain't buying this shit. I'm fucking locking everything down, because this shit is fucking looking like it's gonna get rough. I'm not trying to scare anybody. I just want everybody to be ready for it. I pray for you, man. I'm telling you, I saw some crazy healings. Don't want to get into it on the live, but I'm glad you're feeling way better. Hey, I really am, man. I appreciate it so much. Shit. First time I'm drinking in weeks right now. I've calmed down too on the drinking too. I haven't been drinking as much. Because before I was going through like a 12-pack a day. I'm on a 12-pack a day now. I can get a 6-pack and it'll last me like 3 days. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I was in some fucking pain before. Remember that shit? Oh, man, I gotta go back and watch those live streams. I couldn't even get up and do nothing. That shit was horrible. He's like, kill this person. That's fucking good, man. And the only thing I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for some of these things to make pops above where I bought it, and maybe take some profits. That's what the key is. It's profits and protecting it. Protection is gonna be key, man. What else was there? I've been going just over the feds, just watching the man, the FOMC. This is gonna be the most important one. Like, everybody's waiting for it, and honestly, it's the same shit as it is every fucking year. It's gonna be motherfuckers. They're making it more than what it's supposed to turn out to be, because no one even understands it. Bro, we need GMBX to get any news. I want to say we're going to get it soon, because that fast track, they usually get some kind of news from the FDA within like 6 to 12 days, I want to say. More power, regular crypto boost price. Fed Chairman Richard. I have 3 accounts, but I saw so many people. Oh, that's what I was going to show earlier, too. They did have some contracts that came up. I snaked these ones before market close yesterday. These ones right here, January 2023. I got 377 days for them. Did they show me on there? Where's open interest? Open interest. Yeah, I went for the 250 ones. I'm not messing around no more. I'm trying to get the bang for my buck. I don't care if it's cheap. I'm going for what makes more sense. At 250 where we're at, if this thing goes to 750, which is usually where it does go the last 2 run-ups, I should be pretty good on that one. I should be able to make at least I want to say $600, maybe $650 per contract. But that's right. That's talking about short term. I'm gonna probably hang on to a couple of those contracts for just in case this one actually does something big, because I think it's pretty. That's huge for them to be with both AstraZeneca and Merck now. But be careful with this one, though. Like, do not hesitate to take profits. If you think, like, you need to take some profits, fucking take some profits. That's what this year, I mean, damn, you take profits this year. Don't be afraid to take profits this year. It's not going to be like the last 2 years. That's for damn sure. Are you trading any crypto tonight? No, I am not buying any crypto. I'm just sitting on my hands right now and just watching the pain. I'm just watching the pain. Me and my wife right now are waiting for... Actually, my wife is the one that told me she's going to start trimming back on some of the Ethereum that we have. She's the one that told me she's like wants to take it from the crypto and put it in the stock market and go for some of these other plays. Oh, that's so much money. I'm gonna go for a home run like I am in Prague. Lost though. Man, Alan Prague is not. Man, I mean, hey, I let him do his thing, but because he's probably in it for a minute, but at least he's holding on to it. That fool has been he's been loyal to Prague for quite a while. I can't, fuck. I still got Prague shares too, so I'm like, fuck it. I know where he's at, but I'm not that deeply invested in it. I'm waiting on your wife to say, hey, that's why I rang my wife. We were talking last night, and she was like, what stocks to go for? And I told her what I'm going for is Roblox, Ford. I'm going for Airbnb. I'm going for REITs, which is and a few other ones. And she mentioned Roblox and NEO, but I told her, fuck NEO, go for Ford. I'm not even going to listen no more, Isaac. Just say when the wife says something, right? Fuck, These people are legit. Even Matt Kors just had Prague calls expire. These people aren't legit. No, sir. Fucking wild. I mean, hell, she's not. She's got like this weird fucking 6 cents or some shit like that. I call it a 6 cents instead of a 6 cents. It's a 6 cents because it's nasty. They are not legit. No, they are pump and dump, dude. Why do you think I don't got no fucking super chat up for that shit? I'm not gonna take your guys' fucking money. Fuck that. Not ever and not any time or ever will you see a fucking opportunity where you guys are allowed to send me some fucking super chat or some kind of tip or some donation. No. You want to donate something? Put that shit in your long term and go buy some fucking solid long term shares or some shit. I don't want your money. Like, those motherfuckers are just straight dirt bags, but it is what it is. Unfortunately, people like that shit, I guess. Look, I'm making enough money off of my trades, and the only thing I want is for everybody else to do the same fucking thing at the end of the day. And for people to be like, oh, well, nah, I can't do nothing about the super chats or the fucking tips. Bull fucking shit, you can't. Yeah, you can. You can just go over there and turn it off. I can turn it on right now if I wanted. God damn it. I mean, unless it's going to be like for a community and we're going to make some fucking, portfolio and all benefit from it and the funds going to that, I mean, then maybe. But other than that, I mean, I don't plan on offering no merch, none of that shit. That's not what I'm here to do. That's never been the thing. Bro, I'm at Forrest can pump stock that took $3 and get it up to $4. Some people who got 100K pump and dump and him and drop $100 super chats. Yeah, yep. Real quick. But you know how many people fucking lose on that though? They get caught on those pump and dumps though? The average is through the roof on the losers. There are way more losers than there are winners out there. Way more. Nah, I mean, I watched a couple of the guys' trades. I mean, they're not. I mean, they're okay. I think I used to watch it when he was trying to hit the Tesla plays, and I was like, "Oh boy, what are you doing wrong over here, bro? Like, you doing it all? Why the hell would you buy a fucking Tesla call when it's up fucking 15%?" I was like, "Those motherfuckers are juiced up right now." I was like, "I ain't gonna pay that premium. You're wild." Yeah, and I see that's just why my channel is gonna be. It's gonna be different. I ain't trying to do none of that. It's too much. Everybody needs to focus on trying to serve somebody and better than you serve them. But why don't we work on being serving our community, serving the network or something, and then build something from it. What else was there over here? Oh yeah, will this time be different from Bitcoin? Fuck yeah, it's gonna be different. I mean, yeah, 35. They're talking about the death cross again. It feels a lot different though. When you have 5K people watching, you get excited and a tone you can influence people. Oh yeah, you most definitely can. Most definitely. I think those are the ones you gotta watch out for, though, at the end of the day. The ones that change their demeanor. Board Yacht Club is a huge mainstream hit, but on Wall Street ready for NFTs? I don't know yet. I don't even know yet. There's just too much over here. These fucking Bored Ape shit. Wait, what are they talking about? Citadel. There was something that Citadel came up earlier, too. Where the fuck did it go? It's PayPal with stable coins. Fuck did it go? Servant will come, as great as Jesus said. That's what he said. That's what he did. Wish I didn't have to pass out now. I'm gonna shut the stream. There you go, Pop. Hey, take care of yourself, man. Thanks for coming in, bro. Oh, there we go. Bitcoin's fucking getting a lot of hopium in it right now. I still don't buy it. Like, I'm like, man, we still got a long way to go. We still got a long way to go. It's the early bird, huh? Fuck. I remember those days. Yeah, I got so much shit to do, but fuck. I don't even know right now. taking it easy. Yeah, there's so much fucking money being taken out right now. You can see it everywhere. It's fucking crazy. Where was the Polygon? Polygon network activity spikes, and they got the NFT sales over there with the Polygon. I like Polygon actually a lot. Polygon's been doing real fucking solid. It hasn't really just like, it's just has this nice upward trend since fucking forever. I'm waiting for it to come down, and maybe, hopefully, it'll test this area so I could buy some more. Oh, NNDM. You know, NNDM, that's what I'm just like waiting for it to pop. Once it pops, then I'm getting rid of it. NNDM is gonna be like, that's one of the ones that I'm getting completely gonna get rid of. Just waiting for them to pop back up. Yeah, it's fuck it. It's still probably gonna come down a little bit more, probably to the $3. I wouldn't be too surprised if we test $3, $3.25, because the FOMC's fucking what, 3 weeks away. That's a long way to wait for the FOMC. Once we hear from Fed Powell, then that'll price into the market, and then we'll move. Unfortunately, that price action that is priced into the market plays a big role. Yeah, everything's on hold until we hear from fucking Big Dick Fed Powell. We need to know if he's going to come off dovish or if he's going to come off as a hawk. I mean, well, I'm ready for him to come off and be hawkish. He needs to just hurry up and get this shit over with, because I was ready for that shit in 2018, and we kind of did it a little bit, but not much. He said, I kind of agreed. Yeah, I'm just waiting to sell. Like, selling is what I'm on for this year. So as soon as something pops and it goes all, like, even a little bit of profit, I'm taking it. Even a little bit of profit. I'm not looking for fucking maximum profit no more. No, I'm just looking to get some of my profit back, if not break even, and then move on to the next one. Because there is so much more money out there to be made in the bank sector, in the fucking REIT sector, the healthcare sector, the fucking oil sector, the fucking, I mean, there's so much more other money out there to be made, because it's been a lagger for the past 2 years because of this COVID bullshit. That's where you want to be starting to bet, but long term. I don't know any, but I'm looking to buy again. I'm looking to get the fuck out of it. I'm looking to get out of that motherfucker quick. Let me see, where's my fucking Thinkorswim at? Let me pull my Thinkorswim up on this computer. I got so many stocks in there I gotta sell. Like, dude, I still got Chamber fucking Energy. That motherfucker's gotta go. Chamber Energy is horrible, man. I doubled down on that one and got beat up. The Roblox fucking, that shit went south already. It was like one of my number one winners. The number one winner right now is fucking Ford, Apple, and AT&T. Believe it or fucking not. Yeah, I think by the end of this year, 2022, I want to be basically trimmed back and only have like maybe 4, 5 companies that I'm invested in, and then the rest will just be fucking swing trades. And then cryptocurrency, just trim it down to maybe 3 or 4, maybe like 1 coin and a couple tokens. Yeah. Dude, they fucking got me in on it again, alright? They got me in on it again. I'm just gonna hold it because I'm waiting for some more fraudulent shit to pop out. Yeah, Chamber Energy did. I got fucking in that one too. I was saying it too. I kept saying it for like days in and days out. I'm like, yeah, this one right here is gonna get you. I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna buy a little bit, and then I bought in on it and threw some more money at it. It's not a large position, but it is like, you know, like fucking $6,000, I think. That's only worth like $1,500 now. Because I bought contracts that went worthless. Yeah, I got fucking scammed on that one. Remember we got that fucking bullshit PR report or whatever from fucking Yahoo Finance or whoever the fuck those assholes were. Crypto is a no-go now, people. Happy New Year. That's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for a time to exit. That's what me and my wife were talking about earlier. I was telling everybody, like, the wife was like, I'm going to start trimming back on crypto and throwing it in the stock market. I was like, what? Like, all right, let me go tell everybody. Come on, let me go tell everybody. Shit. Yeah, that's what the wife was talking about for the past few days, man. Yeah, we all got scammed on that one. That fake PR report, we haven't seen some shit like that since like 2015. But right now, I mean, I'm betting big on that NG fucking, what is it called again? God damn it, what's it called again? Fucking GMPX. Just because of that FTD. That FTD's big on them. That's where I'm at on that right now. That's where I'm focusing on. I got 250 in GMPX. February 18 calls, baby. Fuck yeah. GMPX. Gemprex. Just be ready to do it quick. That's why I can't emphasize it on anymore to do not be afraid to take profits, because the Gemprex play will be sudden and I think it'll be quickly outlived. It'll probably come back down as soon as they do an offering. I'm fucking like 100% sure they'll do a fucking offering again as soon as they get up to like $7, maybe $8. I mean, I don't even know though, because it's gonna get to IPO. This is the third time it's tested these highs. And look at the volume coming in on it this time. The volume is just fucking through the roof over here. It's even more than it got this last fucking time over here. The volume is just gone on this one. I'll sell some after the announcement at the open. Yeah, definitely don't be scared to take profits on this one. As soon as something happens, like, fuck. Don't second guess it. Don't be like, well, maybe it'll keep going. No, because these dickheads have done it every single time they've hit these highs. It was, they did it here and they did it here. I'm sure they'll do it again. You need to flash stuff like we did with the Quest Therapeutic before. Man, we got fucking scammed on that one, bro. The fucking FDA, those motherfuckers. I don't even want to talk about it because it's therapeutic no more. We'll just leave it. We'll put that one on the side, and then once we get some news, then we'll know where the fuck it's gonna go. But right now, Quest Therapeutics in a dark room. It has no idea where it's going, and that's the only way to put it. Therapeutic just killed some of us, man. It wasn't a Quest Therapeutic. Quest Therapeutic did. That's why I just kept telling everybody, like, I'm not gonna buy in at these highs. We have to wait for it to be low. Keep your dollar average. Your average price needs to stay at a reasonable price, just in case there is some kind of bullshit news. That was some bullshit news. They said we're not ready for you guys, and we'll let you know when we are. We're like, what the hell? That was fucked up. Look at that. Ethereum Classic's getting a little bump in it. Long term, it's still cheap. Yeah, it is. It's still very cheap. Yeah, we just gotta wait and hear from the FDA. As soon as they tell us when Ethereum Classic's starting to move a little bit, I still ain't buying it though. But yeah, I'm calling it over here on Gemprex. Calling it. That one's gonna be a good fucking play. It's gonna go to $7, $8 real quick. Heartbreaker. LOL, man. Dude, those fuckers got me, dude. Fuck yeah. Emotions got a little bit involved in that one. I went and bought some more. Fucking doubled down on the options. I don't think I bought any more shares of Quest Therapeutic. I just went after the contracts. I said, all right, you fuckers. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting a little bop. It jumped up to 42. Straight scammers, bro. We got scammed on that one. Man, I could not believe it. I was like, are you fucking serious? Like, man. Cryptomaniac, how we doing, man? Are we feeling good? I mean, damn. I don't even want to look at the long term. I know it's bad when the wife comes and says, babe, I'm thinking about selling some of the Ethereum. I'm like, damn. I was like, damn, I didn't want to hear that. I'm over here just buying into it a little bit. I'm like, fuck. I was like, all right, cool. Let's start trimming back then. Bitcoin is getting hated on. I think a lot of people are selling out of it and putting it elsewhere. I think Ethereum's fucking shit. Ethereum's where you want to be. Bitcoin's like gold. Ethereum's gonna be like your silver or shit like that. Oh, it's a horrible time to sell. If anybody's thinking about selling anything other than fucking spy puts, you're fucking high as a kite right now. Unless you're selling puts on something right now, then I wouldn't be thinking about selling nothing for a loss. Man, coulda, woulda, shoulda, dude. We should have saw. I mean, I'm glad me and my wife, we had 4 coins of Bitcoin back in 2020, and we sold when it went up. We didn't sell at $60-something thousand. No, we got too excited and we sold at like 53,000, I think it was. And then we bought back in when it was at 24,000. And we've only got like a quarter of a coin though. We haven't bought any more though. How can we invest in NFTs as a team? Well, I mean, I know you can like inflate the price if we all bid on it and shit like that. If somebody were to make the NFT and then everybody bids it up to some crazy ass prices, there's a possibility, but you gotta have a pretty big following to do that. But that's pretty Hey, Pop, if you want in the metaverse, bro, fucking buy Roblox. Fuck the bullshit, go for Roblox. You know what I mean? Follow Nancy Pelosi. Fuck that, that fucking bitch over there, her husband, whoever the fuck made the play. If you want the metaverse, go for Roblox. I think that's going to be the safest bet. No bullshit. You've seen how much those contracts went for, even though they are down they're almost in the gutter right now. But if you really want like a safe bet, I think the fucking Roblox is where it's at. I mean, fuck, I hate the game, dude. I fucking hate the game. All right, just to be frank with everybody, I cannot stand Roblox. That fucking game when it first came out, I was like, fuck that game. I was like, we're looking for realistic shit. I'm over here playing Battlefield, and we're looking for digging holes and taking buildings down. You're gonna come out with a block game. All honesty, I didn't like the game, but now I'm fucking fully invested in Roblox. How the fuck's that work? Because it's a solid company, it ain't going nowhere. You can't go against the grain. The game's taking over, dude. It's been here for when I was a kid, it was popping, and my kids are a kid, it's still popping. That's saying something. Like, as much as fucking I hate the game, you just can't let your emotions get involved in it at the end of the day. You really can't. But Roblox, I mean, that's where you want to be, bro. I like them at $80 technically. Yeah, I was saying anything under $100 I was buying, but it's coming down a little bit more. It's definitely Roblox is the number one that I like. Roblox, Ford, Airbnb, and Well. Those are the main ones I like right there. Well, besides Apple, but Apple's fucking way up there. If you didn't buy Apple a while ago, I mean, you still can, but I'm not going to recommend it. I like Tesla, dude. I like Tesla. I'm sticking with Ford, dude. I'm telling you, Ford. I'm Ford. Tesla's good. A lot of people have actually started switching over to Tesla. Like, they've been more of the calls, but Tesla is just, it's a monster. Actually, there goes Bitcoin's going up for 42, 43. Don't get caught up in it yet. I'm not convinced just yet. No, sir. I want Tesla back at $900. If it comes back to this range, I want to buy more contracts. But I honestly think I missed it though. Bro, $100 to buy 10 shares. It calls 2024, $1,000. Yeah. Tesla's gonna be a good winner though. I mean, Tesla's been, they killed it. Their numbers that they delivered, I was like, wait a minute, these motherfuckers, you just added zero on and they blew estimates out the water. They were like, yeah, we're gonna deliver 1,000. Next thing you know, they delivered fucking 10,000. I was like, how the hell did you even do that? GM barely did fucking 50% production. Oh man, the Elon, the way he played it though, I like the way he played it. He blamed, the way he used California, the taxation and shit like that. I liked it. I like it. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be fucking interesting. Yeah, but Tesla's a good winner right there. I've made good money off of Tesla before. You just gotta get in. It's expensive, and you just gotta be able to stomach it. Damn, man, I'm just watching though. The reason why I'm watching is just because I want to make sure for next year. I want to know where I'm supposed to be at, because where we're at right now is where basically I started investing, which was back in 2018 when this little fucker right here wasn't such a sweetheart and he was raising rates and the market was getting clobbered. I mean, they raised it up to what, 2.25, almost 2.5%. That shit was crazy back then. I was like, come on, motherfucker. And then this was fucking 2019, and he brought it down a little bit. And then when we got the coronavirus, he brought it down to 0%. So we're way overdue for a fucking rate hike. Way overdue for it. But auto industry is gonna kill it though too. Though I mean, fucking Tesla is just monstrous. I don't even think people care if he sells most of his position, because I remember he did say a while back, well, a long time ago, that when Tesla did become fully sustainable and profitable, he would sell the rest of his position out of it and step down. Which I think they're almost fucking there. They're already all over the fucking world. Let's see, where the crypto? Did crypto go back up to 2 trillion? We went up to 1.96 trillion. Damn, Stellar's back down at 25 cents. Ouch. I don't even want. Where's ASM? ASM, I want to give her that one first. Unfortunately, full transparency, this motherfucker right here is going to go first, because I'm down the most on ASM than anybody else. I'm not even down that much on cryptocurrency, on Crow. Not even Spell Token. I'm not even down that much on Spell Token compared to this one. This ass token got me fucked up, bro. I'm not even going to lie. Damn, Sheep coin went down to 282. What? God damn it. Where's Dogecoin at? Oh wow, Dogecoin popped back up to 15 cents. It's probably gonna fail right up here though. It's right back above fucking the 152-day moving average. Damn, dude. Ever since Dogecoin got listed on Coinbase, it's just been getting beat up. Mollywopped the whole way down. Son of a bitch. Look at that motherfucking wow. Fucking, I think Dogecoin is gonna come down some more too. It's fucking never even really hit oversold area, and that's the false breakout. God damn, Ethereum Classic, you little fucking scammer, you little scammer. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 22-25 cent range right here to come back, which is where the fuck will we hit back in January 2018. Yeah, god damn it. It feels a whole lot like 2018 again. This is like when we first started trading. Yeah, it feels just like it all over again. Fuck. Yeah, Gemprex. Gemprex is where I'm at on that one. After Gemprex, it's fucking Well right now. Well's a REIT one. That's that new Well Tower one. This one, it actually pays a dividend too. It's $87, but I think it's still undervalued, and I think Well's probably going to go to about $150 by the end of the next year. It's probably going to test this higher end right here, and since a lot of people are talking about REITs, Well should be able to gas through it coming into this next year, into this year. Where's that other one at? What's the other one everybody's talking about? Is that Jasmine one? Is that one even up? Or is that one down? That one's down, huh? Oh, it's back at 7 cents. A little pop down there. Not too big of a pop, though. Damn, that one's just been going straight down for quite a while now. Dude, this was when the whole everything ran up. You know, damn, so many people got locked in up here. That is fucked up. Where's Spell at? I haven't looked at Spell for a couple days already. Damn. XYO is under 3 cents. So everything's breaking through these crazy ass levels, except for these fucking SOL is still doing well though. What time is it already? How long have we been on here for? Alright, let me shut it down here in the next like 5 minutes. Gotta freaking go there and get ready to freaking finish wrapping up the bumper on the bins. 42 looks like Bitcoin's trying to come back up. Just a little bit, not much. Still, like, dude, we still got so much downside left. This is fucked up. God damn it. Hell, what's Ethereum at right now? I'm gonna have to start talking. We might have to start looking at exit rate now. Fuck, a year before? No. I still don't believe it though. I still think we got a little bit of time left here. Oh shit. Wow, it's way the fuck back there already. Ethereum came all the way back to 31.14. No wonder she was talking about it so much. She was like, hey, babe, I want to sell Ethereum because we got Ethereum at less than $200. Like, if we sell right now, I mean, we'll be all right for a little bit, but nah. that shit's going into oversold fast though. Like, look at where we're at. We haven't seen these areas forever. Shit, forever we haven't been down this oversold in a while. Jesus fucking Christ. Last time we seen these levels were what? Back when the corona hit. Yeah, I just for some reason, I don't know what it is, but the rates, it feels like it plays a big part in this shit somehow. Because 2018 was the same time they were supposed to do it. 2019, Fed Powell started trying, calming down a little bit because of COVID. And then 2020, he said 0%, and then we fucking skyrocketed. I think that's the only reason why we skyrocketed was because it was 0% on the rates. Shit, I'm gonna tell her to sell fucking like 5 coins right now. She wanted to sell like 30 the other day. I'm just gonna tell her to sell 5 of them. That's good, because she can sell now, because we had to wait for the new year anyways. Fuck it. She can start trimming back on it. And then watch, fucking, she's going to start selling a little bit. It's going to start coming up. But she's going to start coming up. God damn it. No, she's going to stick to it. Just start trimming back like a couple fucking coins here and there. Probably end up just hanging on to like fucking 15 of them or some shit like that, and fuck it. Yup, just stick to one now. Stick to a couple of them, you'll be all right, man. That'll blow up. Yeah, I think Tesla's a good one right there. Me, I'm still sticking to Ford. Shit, you can't get me off the Ford, even though they're fucking piece of shit trucks. I love them. I love them. I love the stock. I love the stock. Because the way I look at it, when it comes to the auto industry, you want to be with legendary names that have a legacy. Legacy names, they ain't gonna go nowhere. Except for Pontiac, they got clapped. But yeah, we'll see how the rest of this weekend plays out. It's still fucking, still pretty early. Well, yeah, I'm gonna shut this down right now. Thanks for coming in, everybody. Fat Lips. Hope to see you again, man. Fucking take care of yourself, Pop. Fucking Cryptomaniac, Waldo, everybody else. Have a good rest of your weekend. I may or may not be on tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But focus on keeping your cash safe at the end of the day, and don't be afraid to take profits. I'm out.